Ebogo na inside Yaoundé and na from full where they talk say so some people them they buy their land. Some person again still come out with the online title and then can show them matter there for court since 2021. Solution in never come out. One of the people that when they strike, he get talk and for we, and we go sit down we go here. We go enter back for the walla for talk again palava dirty. Where they outside for inside the walla dirty, they outside for the walla, and the walla it is smell. We go talk which one? We go talk again. Palava, this one, African Nation Cup, it get for start. And all man they prepare now. Now for buy team where they call them the Mayo, them the JC, where they go take them support the Lions. And we say we could go for side for Cote d'Ivoire for see how Lions them they be enter for that side when the time go reach. Bridge for side for Ombe. He done the crack and they say this so when camion pass on top, it make noise. Same story, it talks 70. Same story, it tell we say head where he never succeed for classroom, he get for succeed for inside market or for farm for carry kako. Head where he never succeed for classroom, he go succeed for carry kako for farm, succeed for carry kako for inside market. Forget the own money. Person where he send them for we, they call him now 5 Changong. 5 Changong is send them for that side for Chup village under Nkambe Center. One way support him now Masido is support him for side for Tiko na whole subdivision for side for Southwest Cameroon. Now when they will come back when I will see them all. So we get to start now, they broke and small. Chapter 1, we could talk na palava this one, we could talk palava this boy, then we dey catch him. When they get 26 in number, and the thief sote pass Arata. Me we go for northern part for Cameroon, go see him. Big man for commissariat, na he self, he don't come out, he picking them. Me then self, they go do work. As it happen, we get for local. Yes, we get for local. So now so it happen.
So na so the matter day. We could do it now. Now only God. Police is the only do it on work. And they don't catch them plenty. All na small picking them. All na small picking as we this year. All na small picking them as we see them. So we see now what way they use them for take money for people in their hand. Now we see the knife them. Part 2. They buy them bat. See only thing them where they use them. When they come also, you get for come out money where you get them. When they move this knife, money must come out. When I see knife and they say they so minister we don't talk say they so. They not get for the second last or knife, but inside Cameroon they return with the outside. See on the knife, if this one enter your skin, you go well again. If this one enter your skin, you go well at the ask when I have upside way when I sabi create law and when I know the American people then follow them. See on the knife where they use them. Now so one day they don't just come over choke person day. That way they don't choke on the text solid tape the knife day. When I see them, and all this knife they fix are inside country. And then the seller inside country, no man no they talk. With the ask whether it is so where will it go? Me will talk now palava fire where a cash for inside Yaoundé, Chapelle Obili. They say this knock na number 3 time where it catch fire. Only the way where the fire be start. People that want to be there for inside Molo house, for inside the snack. All man you run. All man you take na Tokyo because fire never na come before person. But how manage when na only this snack they catch fire for that side for Obili. Anytime they say that snack don't burn. And they say so man will get the snack, that way the snack don't burn, you say come see him. Amen. They say they saw the no na is snack. Then we say the content for they not get time. The people in the cry say they so they could lose their work. Because work are the way they work for day, now they day for show match. But they own another time and now where they work for inside Romna. Why not only this snack in the bond for that Carrefour Obili? For Chapelle Obili. See under protection. See under protection. Ha! It's not easy. Sapper compare them, they say when I can't quickly, it don't bad. When I can't quickly, it don't bad. And they say that's on our cable start the spark. I mean that. Let's see, it start the spark and a high tension cable. It's possible in last cut. Whether right way if they use of inside native light because I don't know how many high tension cable could come out for pole can enter inside house. Or in interval for metal, they say no, that kind of cable, no, that cable will go for metal. Like that, he don't go through the cut and then fall for down. All man in turn the cameraman for side for Chapelle Obili. Only level for the fire don't be easy. Tell me they don't call now. Messenger for God, General MOKO can't see him. For come up for Santa Barbara, go for side for Chapelle Obili. It's not easy. But me we see time way to the man it will go. The time this way to the man it don't come up for Santa Barbara, they fly. They fly, they go for that side for Chapelle Obili because if it isn't will go see. Whether police and condemn they don't come for time, or they don't come now only time for can't draw constant. Chapelle don't come for time, or they don't come here on where fire don't finish. I say match fire. Camera the fly the go. Camera the fly the go. Like that. That one we don't reach. We see water for road. We see water for road. Where show na sign say Chapelle pumping they don't finish come. Now time this one will reach for the place up. Because LTM they take the time. Make a me you understand how the thing will start and how it last go end. When I see now water that for go drunk. Where the show say they so Chapelle pumping day. Don't know that way stand. No be na firefighters that is stand. Now in that. Because some people that never talk. Say Chapelle pumping never come. Now in that if you day Because when you look at for social media, some people they say no, they no come, and they no come for time. If they no be come, if I go for the order of license, where they come say come be. If these people they no be come, that come be bad for cash or finish. Now the junction that Chapel Obili. Now the junction that police it come for time. And when I say when I get for see that high tension cable, because to the man when the one film up, explain and fine. Correct. Red Cross people every day, police every day, gendarme every day. That's why they will throw for back this snap for backside. All them they don't come out. Camera them, street camera where government put them. You don't catch fire, but all. That street camera than that. Where it there for that Chapel Obili. He don't bought. Yes. He don't bought where it shows the so he nothing light again. Me government try to change that camera quickly because that junction now hot junction. This thing what happen so on the traffic where they now no Red Cross them this. Red Cross them the only time where bomb down all some place they go for help. No, even time for fire. They go there. Yes. Sometimes compare people and where they be there for spot. The last come lost fire. Yes. Oh, come back. Not in the year 12, in the year 13, and so they pack. They say, will I give chance? They also turn up one place. Will I give chance? They also turn up. When I see her, so there's more fire. But people make people understand and say, why not under that snack? And when it goes to burn, when they snack they burn, you know they jump for a neighbor. Now only the snack they burn. Only around the snack. When they don't burn, so they can't lose them. Number 3 time when they snack they burn, and they burn for the very system. Yes. Why the fire they burn now under the snack? Why you not go for back? And why not go for labor? That's something there. That's something there. According to the talk where people they talk, what they say they know they understand. They don't come for work or they don't come to. Now the high tension cable that. When I don't see when they don't finish doing work and then they wrap up now, can't put them for this place. Now in that the high tension cable when I see now in that. Now they take cable back and I go show in a place where it don't last go land. When I see that the high tension cable that. Now in that way they don't wrap up. Now in this for down. For corner they snack. For corner they snack where they don't come out. And they cut and cut them. For saving the fire and not increase. Well, gendarme don't come for drug constar. Yes, after we police we don't be seen. Gendarmerie nationale est calm and land for this. So we talk extra for the person and the worker and where they walk inside. See on the traffic. For command Chapel Obili, go for Monte Chapel Obili. Where not be there for those where they take a taxi and those where they deal with the private car. Now so the road be there. The road is not be pass. So with the time man where they can say Mr. Lambert given way the first video. Me we ask some for this countryman now. Me tell we countryman we this on our side and this by name now wait it don't happen now how many time where this place is born. Me we hearing where this man go talk. Oh yeah.
This on about Chapel Obili. This early morning time we sit down for quarter so and so cable spark cable dispatch. That means we even the regulator say. Why the cable dispatch road? Before one notice them, people will be inside nightclub, people will be inside that street life nightclub. They start come on one by one, where they run to go find sand, they come. Me too. Now me come here at the work now for corner the place. I get my own bar for corner the place, come be now for that the work. So I come on the now wrong go call my boss because I don't know who side way the this in the meter. The way the meter they were for offer because if I'm looking at the meter they are for offer, I make a run now. I go find my boss so that he go can off the meter. Me too, my boss now old man. Before I reach the fire don't enter our own side. So small. Thank God say this Sapi Pompe they come like the people bad they go burn the whole quarter. Yes. Thank God say that Sapi when they come they go burn the whole quarter. And we our own bar we just come on for renovate the bar. Now bar we don't make 32 years come be. So we just come on for renovate the bar now so we don't be selling anything again. That up license they say the like 3 times now so wait the bond. So me by that other time I don't know I know be say now today we meet for example from the sparking of the cable the cable to entering to the nightclub. Yeah. Sweet life.
Ode for Chapelle of Village, General Moko. So na fire, they don't wake up with this morning time. So as I wake up, I want to go move my motor for Laverie, for come prepare picking them go school. I just see as a fire start. Now so I move on across the pumpkin. They come quick. They come, the one can way, the main bar, fire they don't hold on, but they save neighboring houses there. Now what's that way pass? Name now Sweet Life. Sweet Life. Now the second time we born, but this one they born past all the first time.
So some person won or person died?
No person not die. Now only material lost, no person not die.
Thank you.
Je suis quitté ici à Kobiba à 5h30 pour rentrer à la maison. Arrivé chez moi, on me rappelle que Sud Life, donc mon voisin, a pris feu. Il y a eu un incendie chez lui. Quand on est arrivé, l'incendie était déjà beaucoup élevé. On essaie d'éteindre, on s'est battu, les pompiers sont venus. Je suis compris jusqu'à me sauver. Ça a pris ma toiture d'un côté et les pompiers sont venus à temps. Ils ont pu sauver le chemin. Donc, c'est tout ce que je sais. On était là, on a couru. Les gens du quartier, tout le monde s'est battu. Ça a brûlé celui-là complètement. Et brûlé un magasin vers le marché. Chez moi, comme ça a brûlé un côté.
Now wait till this way to remind a go gather yesterday for Chapelle Obili. Now we go now for Palava strike for side where they call them Ebogo and now inside Yaoundé for center region for that side from Fou. What happened? Population, they cry. That means say 56 family. They cry now because they will buy the land, they work farm, and then they be. After some person just commodity on. So they will come out the talk say so inside country, and they say, Palava, treated foncier or abuse the foncier, say that one it get for stop because for inside Cameroon. Picking for Cameroon, it not get for buy land and buy them. Any place where it we see and we find it we get for the bill. But the person also money be important past person who is still alive. And when they start to sell them. Now this. So some countrymen since I get money, I get you food them where they turn a fine for ground for Cameroon. He decide one time, go take the land, bring you a thing where you call them caterpillar, a can they dig, place them all side. Say now you get the land. Say now you get the land. So this population, they talk to this, so mean governor for Cameroon wake up for up. Because when they go do bad, they go talk to this, so when I picking of a country, when I do again bad. How matter could they, this matter they for court since 2021? Why the solution not come out? And they talk to this, so court we don't talk to this, so that man, he on paper, and then they say, na calling pepper. And then they say the pepper, na pepper will come up for Cyber Cape Town. But still yet, they be talk say, when fake kako enter country, then catch up, they get for sure the person in the face. Time when Cordon decide say this one this population get the land. Why they not make a camera than film person where if you want to their land? Why we only wait time we don't was before they start the call? Who say you there to the man? Who say you there? They when I be buy some land when I not be call we. Now they will trouble they now we when I know we and so that they live for Cameroon. We not be normal. Me we hear nothing where this countryman he go talk. Countryman, you say you come out your honor for outside and you don't come buy land for outside and wait till it happen. Me when I hear thing we go talk.
Felix, I be a Cameroonian from the southwest region. Now land this way we buy them and we buy this land from a landlord where he get the own land title. The land title be value up to today where we talk. And from the land title we don't make we own individual land titles. We did about 50 something of us where we did on top this land where you see they take caterpillar dig and so. From 2021, where some of we where they don't be affected because some of we like me, I don't buy house, I don't be my house, so I try to take the project. I come for here for be for this one. Since 2021, one Mr. Bomba Messi, whether Bomba Messi, If they come intimidate we for we land, we not understand. If first start can't take caterpillar, dig we plot them, destroy we chop, harvest someone them take and go. Then after a few months, they can build gate, block with entrance, hire, I don't know whether they are armed men with machetes and all those things. They stand by the gate, they call them gros bras in French. They don't allow us, they don't allow women who even enter, we farm them, we build inside. Now 2024 don't can still dig them again. But the thing where they happen I say we don't go every place. We don't go for set complaint. We don't complain for gendarmerie. We don't complain for geo. We don't complain for sub-geo. We don't go for court. But from 2021 can't reach today. Now they still do and so. You see, with other neighbor them, they don't already sell us so they bill for day. The one who do how? We dey beg government, we dey beg the power way a day for Cameroon. May they give we justice because we know nothing where we don't do. We be Cameroonians and we get right for stay for any place where we dey. We dey from all the 10 regions for we dey 50 something. And we don't know nothing we do for this man because if we don't take other land title go for court, they broke them. But we online title, they never broke them. As now we talk, we land title, it be valid. They never cancel them, but we want to see what we don't do them. So with the replay, with the suffer, and with the place, may government do something because when we not get any other option, we do bad, they will also do bad.
1 year now picking for country, not a stranger. We go outside for the water for go see how the water it is shine and it clean way. The show say this so they go take first for the cleanest town for Cameroon. Me will go see them because all the mayor and the city mayor they do fine work. Oh yeah, me will go for side for the water go see them.
Inhabitants of many neighborhoods
That's
of the
Douala.
city of Douala
And Douala na a whole city.
region say Isakam workers have not been seen around
Douala na a whole
for while.
city.
And this visible
And when it is so,
workers from the
all man,
hygiene
it is talking on.
company has led to a gradual
All man,
increase
it is
in the
talking on.
quantity of dirt along many roads in the city.
Whether it is na how,
Almost
na so it get for the
unbearable
be.
stench in every affected area.
The
It not the work
disposal of
at all,
waste
at
in
all.
Douala is very
Look the way Douala it dey. They get to take 6 mayor. They get city mayor. And they pass time only for the make na meeting. And town they rot in the go. They the whole meeting every day. Town they rot in the go. We dey ask question whether they so they ever vote mayor for say me do na waiting because it dey say plenty mayor they not sabi their work. If the whole of it is smell, Yaoundé, it not be get forbid a Douala, but Yaoundé too dirty, a flop. And some people, and they wear their own money, they come on inside this dustbin. They come move, gong them for inside, go wash them. Go for road, put water inside, we buy them, drink them. That means you take money, go buy sick. Ha! You take your hand, go buy sick. Go take sick and then put them for mop. Well, what did really happen? Even for Motengani. Dirty way there for Motengani na Kimampi. Yes. When I see her, so for Douala, and with the back city mayor, with the back all the mayor them. Send me we not pass time only for go for market for go take ticket for mommy them. Me we take to the time for clean the town, me clean. We take time clean the town, me clean. Me when I not leave town, me there for inside dirty so. We also remember Douala now me will go for that side where they come and say Marché Chinois will go there for side for Aqua. African nation come, it can't start. But when you go for Douala, you see outside they say Mayo. Me will see I'm now Mr. Man. You go see all town for Douala na Mayo. Now in that. When I see him. Now inside Douala we dey. If you want buy Mayo for Cameroon, you buy them. The one for Nigeria, you buy them. The one for Cote d'Ivoire, you buy them. If you want buy na Wesel, if you want buy na Vuvuzela, all they sell them for inside Douala, all street. Then when this country talks to so they marry them day. But now the price it bring confusion between them and people the way they can buy. Because the price we don't take for buy, and not the price we customer the one for take them. So when customer come buy ye own mayo, they talk na ye own price. You know the year price for man where they sell. So it talks to so they be get for bring price for mayo for down. When I see all side for Douala na so they don't hang up. New mayo, all one Eh? He did. So this countryman they talk to this so he dey talk say since we Cameroon get for Nang number for Monday. That means say me any man a try way for come buy a t-shirt. You go to so get them. Mashe know you will get them. Nkululu outside for inside town. As it talk when I don't see them inside snack, they don't really clean snack them. Put television the outside. How fund them for Lions they get for cash down for Monday for see wait away with Lions team it go do them for side for Cote d'Ivoire. So they talk say this so they don't be ready. This country man they talk say this so he don't talk say every day where Lions they will play he get him money the 50,000 for take and go enjoy with friend them for the place where they go to watch match. So they not get them transport for go enter for inside traffic for fan zone. Nothing when they talk say this so you honor for bar for the year commentary. Say I had the plate, I had the back any man we get a play for Semimbo. Say when they don't start the play match, make them put volume so that make any man the year commentary way journalists is send them. Me we go see now time where the Lions them they be enter for site for Cote d'Ivoire. Well, some people them did live for talk. Cameroon doesn't get talk for more. When they talk so that they pay when I for month because when we talk when we want end them pay with. Me we see someone at office when I self be number one oga quarter for number inside country. Now we don't land. Now you picking and Patrick Boma. Ha! Patrick Boma there. This one I hold. Now Bobaka Visa. They say don't hold. Very good number. Now tell me what don't can land with them. And the way they are closer, all they get now one the same close. One the same close. Where they don't swing. Ha! Correct! Now they play them that where they buy some banana. Now in that. Man for, yes. Man for Nyak. He said also, now first 11 this. Now this man way, if we score one goal for time we play with Zambia, where people are not vexed say this. So how they could play some match. And then people are not see them. So they don't go now, training don't start, say this so they get for Nak Guinea. Yes, slap Guinea, where Guinea says could understand how this country is. So now so it is. Leave that one. Me we go now for play where they call and say what me we go for place where they call and say for Ombe. Where you pass for site for go for Limbe, where you come out Tico, now so it happen. This one now bridge for Ombe. When now bridge for in those days where they be bilang. Can't reach today. Now so the bridge they use them. And the bridge it don't crack. One motor they pass on top of this bridge. You hear the way the bridge they shake. Under the way where bridge they shake. Ha! No na small one. And it don't crack. And authority them for southwest they see them. No man no the talk. They wait na time we go kill. Before they go come now with big coat. Can't talk big French. Can't talk big grammar. Where people they don't die. And they ask question. Why for Cameroon when we see hand in that? Now bridge there. Bridge for all the way at any time if it collapse. At any time if it collapse and it could kill. One day motor go on top, it could collapse. Now the bridge that would I don't see him. Small time this bridge it could collapse and when it will collapse, it will kill people. So we beg the authority that for southwest where they sabi talk minute. Say why when I don't she don't quiet for this one. Why when I don't she don't quiet for this matter for this bridge for Ombe. When they was say me key, no? So that me when I create commission, me money the enter because any man they find for a pocket, you know they find for a population. Oh shame. Now tell me why we check for yesterday so when I go start the chat, how would I chat all side for radio and television? When I don't she don't quiet. Why when I she don't quiet? I they ask when I for side for southwest. Bridge like this one, it don't crack for this when I she don't quiet. Why? Ha! When's the thing one be? You see, social media not the rest. They talk for the pop-up, but not important thing this. Not important thing this way go kill people. When I wait say me kill, so that me would I can turn up blue BB grammar, blue BB French. This one a shame. Me will try for call their concern for people them way they get for come fix them. Me them fix them before time. I know 1 year again say motor don't come, the bridge a collapse. And then people fall inside that water. Like me myself, I get for tech when I go for court. When I authority the for Southwest. If when I not try for send book for your own, quick. Me Nkonkoma sign. Me minister will be in charge of work for Cameroon. Me send contract on me start the patch that bridge. Le enough worker. So William Mike and I the match all button. You go now with Simon Denge. We come back now and then we enter for calling. Check all man for upside say this so when you want video something way you go send them for we. May you put your Android phone at this side. Where you put them so that means you don't put them fine. You make video you send them for we for those number we when I see them on our WhatsApp number. You see them no? When I hold when an Android phone na so. When you hold them so you don't hold them fine. But when you hold them so that means you never hold them fine. We never use them. So better than I say you check sense you hold them so you do better work. May we go before. Now, tell me what we get for talk. Where you want to call the program off the volume for TV? Yes, off the volume for TV. Hello? Good morning, countryman. Off the volume for TV. Cameroon, they talk French and English. If you know here, we put you aside, we take another person. Yes. When you want to call this program off volume for TV, if you're there for family, you go sit down for upside you talk. Hello?
Hello, General. Good morning.
Good morning. Who there for now and wait you for Terry? Yes. 20 seconds. Talk with you.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't know. You want to make a Mongo, that Mongo for president, people they die before the whole play that thing. Well, I don't know why the government for Cameroon they never wants me blood pray for down before they do something. So I don't know. Are you willing to get your MOKO? Try for the talk, they wanted to drive arranger. See how that pressure on there, they don't really come back.
Yes, Mr. Willie put with that image for a bridge. If the talk you put on, yes. Now the bridge that we don't he don't the crack. We go only they shout every day, sometime they go yeah. But if you be that thing way, if you show say they will get for making a campaign, you foresee they will sing song every day. But now this one this. Thank you for side for Bamina. Hello?
Good morning, General.
Good morning. Who there for outside the course, sir?
Mr. Emmanuel from Ngoketunja.
Yes, Emmanuel for side from Ngoketunja, man. We want marry 5 women. You get any man?
I tell you, I don't go straight come back for that side.
Yes. So at the end, wait till you get for tell we countryman.
I want to talk about those people them way one man don't come they claim land for them.
Yes.
So that if you see say inside Cameroon now you get money if you broke any stone. If you imagine say 50 people don't get land title for person when we don't first get the where we get the land. And when the man get land title for government, one man come now so he try for take all that land for that 50 people correct. So it be very bad. So the second thing I'm talk government ever that pull of a black bridge for Ombe. That bridge Ombe if they don't patch they don't do patch for that bridge now they go to wait now they way motor can fall inside that room before the hook of up the gate talk say this and that wait don't back that time when people run there they talk the bridge on give people them they want compensate people and this and that other kind of thing we not good so when something they wait for before the government make them work and quick than for wait to make something happen for they try for go there so now my own contribution that part.
Thank you. So that the way say me person die, then can give envelope for the family. Let me say, yes, countryman, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes. Now who they be?
No, no, for Mavi.
Yeah, hey. How for Mavi no countryman?
For Mavi they fine.
With the year talk where you want talk.
Yeah, what talking about that bridge for Ombe?
Yes.
Yes, no authority made it put power for that bridge so that people will not die for that bridge.
Okay.
Yes, with the big government try put power, make bridge contractor, they made a fix that bridge.
Okay. So peace it don't come for Manfred for now.
No, peace it comes small.
Okay, salute me, Mr. Ekep. We it there for pack for side for Manfred.
Okay, go yeah.
Hello? Hello? We don't talk say when you want call. Even you be minister, you be who. If you not feel respecting where we need them, no way. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
I'm back for Bamenda.
Huh?
I'm back for Bamenda. I made a fix that bridge quickly here.
Yes.
I made a fix that bridge because they carry population go that side.
Okay.
And they build that bridge where near the CBC school in class 7, 1974.
Thank you, countryman. Yes. Who do it now? Now we country, man of it on the countryman. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Morning. Who they for language they call countryman?
That's so far out there, they call for it now.
Yes, for Edina. Yes. We salute all man for side for Edina, Joe and the mayor. What you get for tell we for side for Edina?
Yeah, I want to about that very land where it shows that the rich man getting money now, so it shows that the poor they are living nice, you know. It's way to for this is correct.
Huh?
And from that man where he complains to that rich man, that man where a bomber with you got take meeting, with you got take the land so.
Yes.
And that man already complained very well. Say if government not do something, they don't already vex because it should be since 2021. Now only for 3 years is not end now. They are complaining for court. They never call. But the man the construction they go on the construction they go on for day, building they go on for day. The man not talk to the vex now say if government not do something. When they do their own, they not think that they let them back. In the chance already, if that man pass them with their money, they go pass it with their grass, with country way, and we show now the way it don't happen now. They will start going for government go in the investigation now. They wouldn't.
Time it don't pass. You don't overtake with time. Hello?
Hello, MOKO.
Yes. Who they for answer?
Yeah, now Charles from Motengene.
Charles from Motengene. I hear say from Motengene this morning time some bush fall away. It don't land for airport. The one go take you can't for that side breaks fair. So they all you can't go down.
Well, for me, I'm not interested, but I'm more interested for that issue where we concern that bridge for Umber.
Yes, that bridge.
Yes. So I want to say that bridge used to be very important for we for here because one, if they don't arrange that bridge, cost them from building now, they know if get revenue because now access is not to our own market here for this side.
Okay.
Yeah, so make the authorities the way they do it, need to try to see how they feel do immediately. We no delay.
Okay.
If you delay,
we don't hear. Another caller again for line. Hello, sir. Hello?
hello, General MOKO.
Yes, Happy New Year, Dr. Wanko.
Happy New Year also to you, Dr. Mungu, and to your family.
Yes, Dr. Wanko there for that side for yeah, you know from Foka, no?
Yes, I did for Foka.
Yes. What you ever tell we, Dr. Wanko?
Well, my brother, I want for just so for you say that young man for your own day with the beef or something so when they don't buy land.
Yes.
I feel very sorry for you. I really sorry. So make government really sorry for you. And then this one where you don't have for you, so it teach you lesson for you for many people where if for wrong problem, you know the solution for problem. So that if we don't go any place we must see so it's something we give back. So that we happy for that time we even come back. But so simple God help them. Make government look for anything. So when government don't look and so make some other people that they for back, make the lesson. Say some people that they for back where they get a billion, not be millions. So the players they may go to help make that young man he manage get his own play for that land. So make God take control.
Thank you. Another caller again for line. Another caller they show your face. Hello? Hello? You don't beep now beep. They beep again for Cameroon. Credit where when you put 100 francs, they give you 10,000. Hello?
Hello, good morning, General MOKO.
Good morning, madam.
And you are the call for Picados.
Yes, you for Picados now for side for the water, no?
Yes. I want to talk about the bridge for Ombe and this land affair for Yaoundé.
Yes.
I believe say when man don't go get cheating from CEO they call and wait. Now for say the government don't recognize say now you get this place. Now when you go take them, you still not get the power over the place. Then what be the use for go to take that paper? So the way the government they operate. operate and they understand. It give us high blood every day. Then for this bridge, at the back, the elite, them where they be concerned, they know how they could follow up. May they come build that bridge. May they know when same person die again, we don't over die. At the Susu, at the only back. May they follow up. May they come build that bridge.
Thank you. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good morning. We detect person where they raising and where they follow the simple instruction. What you get for tell we countryman?
My name is Kapoti, but they come for Banate.
Yes, have a Banate.
No, Banate, they fine.
Yes, come up for corner that play for machine now. Come up for corner. We know the noise. Any man will not follow the simple instruction, we put you aside. We hear you.
Yeah, I want to know about that bridge.
Yes, talk now.
I say, the lawyer, they know she don't know quiet. Minister, they know she don't quiet. After we told them, will die now before they will say they don't put them for mortuary, they will spend money now. That money they get for take a fit in a bridge with them. For say, maybe people then. Something don't happen for them, but after when people then will get accident for them, something don't happen, they will take the money now. They talk say they want put them for mortuary or they want do this. Now the same thing will be happen for Bankolo. So now my own contribution that they need to take that matter for that bridge serious.
Thank you. So we the wait now only day where Motoko fall and then we gonna go see kind envelopes where it go land. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO.
I don't know whether it is man the year 12 or the year 13. They say where you want call off volume for your TV. We know they talk now for picking it for next school. Huh? Why would I behave for Cameroon so? Talk something for a whole matured person. It they do not different total thing. Now 2024 we know the waste time again we wanna. No small. You want make mistake so chuck we don't take different person. Man where they reason. Because when they tell you something, you do a different thing. That means say you know the reason. That means say you know the reason. So, then for come disturb the program, better you call your family man with your credit. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm Derek from Banga.
Yes, how from Banga, no?
No, Papa, we really thank God. And thank you plenty for your program. Why they really see I'm glad plenty.
Now we thank our God.
Yes, I did talk about that dirty for Douala. New government did over disclose me the travel make Douala at least me make sense. We will visit different countries, they will research as they shine. If Douala be the dirty, so then the small town they for corner they go to how. Me they try to do something for that dirty I beg. Me no disclose me so.
I said that dirty battle.
My own small contribution that.
Thank you. Hello?
Hello, come on,
We don't know here no. Your year with Willie. That thing what they talk say they so. The head where you see I'm so. You see any man with head. But the head no they do not the rare thing where head get for doing. I will go to call me for some kind of name where I don't know that name again. They don't. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
And then that. There plenty. Hello? Hello?
Yes, Dinamoko.
Yeah, I know, countryman.
I don't know.
Now minis.
Now, Tico, the call for Tico.
Oh, my man for Tico, we don't forget me. The man.
No, I don't forget you.
You don't forget me, myself.
I don't buy you.
But you don't buy him. We are the only talk we mop. We are the only talk. After when I say Cameroon the dirty, it is smell. They say when I buy broom, when I know I'm buy him. Yes. Okay. Now the number where you use and a day we broom the internet.
Okay, but for me, I want to consider my preach for Mutengene.
Yes. I hear you.
If you don't fix it out, people go with the party every day, and the party say with the camion. Well, if I don't pass today, I will die and I die. I will do with the situation.
Well, that means say the matter wrong, eh?
No, the matter wrong, because that bridge is shake. Even all the parts it vibrate.
Yes, if I had driver.
They don't all the way around, they don't only way that say, me to see how before, you want to say, no can give mattress, no can give soap, no one without one again.
I say, countryman.
Yes,
no, we don't start the show the bridge now for fine time because people in their way they want turn up the mayor. So one being a parliamentarian. So any man will want start campaign for side for Motengene, for side for Limbe, for side for Tico, for side for Boya. If you never fix that bridge, when I vote different person. Yes, now for that one we not get for Olam. Thank you, Continent. We don't get sense now. We don't get sense. If you call, you like you be family person, you like you be who, when you don't respect the condition, then we go off you.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I don't know you, madam. I don't know whether you hear thing where we talk. They don't talk say if you not follow the instruction for the program, better than say you keep your credit for call your family man than for can the step program. If you not off that volume for your TV, that means say we say we off you, we put you aside. So now so you get for being a 2024 new year, new fashion. Hello? You don't have volume for your TV?
Yes, I don't have that.
Now so big man get for reason. Now so when I get for reason because when I take when I hand they come picking the head. Come, why you don't go make mistake for school? But when I say them I meet them, when I do mistake pass picking, they say when I off volume for TV, man they go stand put a volume. How you really talk for telephone the year again for TV at the same time? But I know it is great man. So the year you madam for Limbe you on them now.
Yes, my name now Odette for Garwa.
Yes, you don't have for Garwa.
Yes.
Okay, talk now me yeah.
Yes, I want to talk about that bridge.
Yes.
I want to say my governor take he work for hand. They will take thing which is with one hand when they get protect with two hand.
Yes.
That they are palava where they give envelope, they give envelope now for their people, then they give for students. When they take that envelope now, where they fix that bridge.
Okay.
Because Cameroon a country for all man, not before one man.
Okay.
Make all that elite them for Limbe. Mutengene, make they join hand. They go meet up governor, make they fix that bridge.
Thank you. We don't hear you. We are on time, not finished. We take another one. We salute all the middle with and there for that side and all the allergy them. Hello?
Yes, Uncle. Good morning.
Good morning. Oh.
Yes, one back una tell what mayor of Boya. These people waiting. One back.
Yes.
One back una tell what mayor of Boya. See people the way they MC that waste for water them. May they stop her. They don't turn Boya, make Boya turn a different thing.
That means Boya don't start the smell.
Well, I don't start the smell. You walk out for night, don't cut at the smell. You may send people for night. You walk at the check. Whether they empty the waste for cut at them.
Okay. Thank you. We take another person again. Hello? Hello? Okay. Countryman, how are you? Hello? Hello? When you don't be ready now, you come. We will talk. We take this other man. Hello?
Hello, MOKO.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Papa.
How are you?
How are you?
Are they fine? Your name and the salary call. I give you 15 seconds because time don't carry you. Go ahead.
Okay. I name is
Yes. You know get name?
Yeah, my name is Council Lawrence Boyne.
Yes. Talk.
Yes, I just come to talk say Cameroon and money talk. So I to talk for you. I don't say Cameroon and money make money get more power.
That means that money be important past person where they are alive.
Money be important past person alive now because money remember the controversial MOKO. Now money go stop all the solution for it in talk to.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, countryman. You don't talk better talk say na money get for some. For BD bridge now only money. Hello?
Good morning, Mr. MOKO.
Yes, morning.
Now me for Yaoundé the call.
Now?
For me for Yaoundé.
For me, for Yaoundé. Now, for me, for which play for Yaoundé?
Etukube?
Yes, talk same for me for Etukube for Yaoundé. At the year you will give you 20 seconds.
Yes. I want you to talk for that palaba for that home for Sawesu.
Yes.
I don't say, I bet you say, maybe no worry, the next year campaign, we can't please them because when campaign come, we can't please them. When campaign pass, we leave them.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Mpomi.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Mpomi for that side. Hello? Hello? Okay. Hello?
Yes, Nazazavo Limbe, Nazazavo Dam Beach Limbe.
Yes, how for that side? What did not happen for that beach again?
No, all this side is fine. I want to talk about that bridge.
Yes.
That bridge is so we damn big boy, don't decide so one contribute some money, but that bridge made a fix with that bridge.
You go contribute money again for who?
We will contribute now, we will contribute again for government, we will pass you, I will give you me again.
Government now, no. Don't say when I will go make community work.
Yes, we want contribute money.
Government na community work. Maybe say go give government.
Okay, that big boy, the one decide we can fix the bridge. If you come with plenty.
You talk better talk now. You will carry money now, go give for some person, say you chasing a government. Tomorrow, you know go see they don't transfer different side, you go talk with it.
Okay, now true, how we go do because we don't decide so one can
when I begin to contribute the money, they way when I hear say the caterpillar they don't come for the when I take that money, go give for caterpillar driver, me they work they chop. That is when I don't participate for the matter. Yeah, that one a highway, you know if you go for highway for go to fix the road because you don't get the powers for do the work. But in for Nigeria, one person will decide for go be that bridge. But for Cameroon, they go talk say no for Cameroon, don't talk say if you try for work on top national road, that means say you go for Ngata. We not get the capital for fix all things for country, but we know they leave people that meet and fix them. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, I'm from Jakiri.
Yes, how about Jakiri?
No, Jakiri, they're fine.
Yes, peace don't come for Jakiri, no?
No, they're fine.
Yes, that means I'll be sure say mayors and the parliamentarians they get for turn back now for that side.
No.
Yeah, because about what you get for talk.
No, I told my about the only way they don't go put the one go play my soul.
Yes, parents don't go.
I told you I get the confidence that I get confidence in the Montana company of Cameroon.
Now, so you'll be better, man.
Yes.
You'll be better. And if they succeed for take them, I will give you a call, eh?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Hello? Hello?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Tasman Daniel gave a boy.
Yes, Daniel get now my way used to don't talk say he go send broom. God is ready today. We don't see the broom. What you there for talk, Daniel get?
No, I say you see the thing they don't want fix them. It shows that we see ways of measure where we can fix all the thing because it shows that trouble they live and so that means that they happen. May they give them may they go give the poor, may they cut the money chop. So they don't just put on the same trap. So we see ways now measure where at least you can save way. Thank you.
Okay. Another person again. Hello? Off the volume for TV. Chat. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning. We take this other man way sometime in the reason. Fine. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. You're on name now. You come for say, sir?
My name is George. I come from Limbe.
Yes.
That bridge now is link Limbe from with other nation, other part of the country, and after the only for the fuel in the past. If that bridge broke, the whole country will suffer. So I want to make it solve that bridge, make it fix that bridge very well. So
petrol, that means that we get petrol for Cameroon?
We get petrol now where they make it from Limbe. Although they come out directly from Limbe now.
I know we know, eh? That means that petrol be short for you, so we petrol they only for corner. Some man will be the phone, but sometimes we fit taking now. Some man they for where they talk to me the off volume for TV. It is social level, but they talk you one. If you know fit off volume for TV before you call this program, you waste only your time. 2023 we don't pass. Hello?
Yeah, MOKO. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Yes, I want to talk about a man is not going on for Yaoundé.
Give me your name and tell me where you the causer.
Yeah, I be Frederick at the Congo Bonadere.
Yes. What you got for top on top that snap? Now your brother get them.
Yes, that's not where I did talk. I see the connection for that line the way they make up. Now it causes snap the ball on I see that some man put fire for the snap. One don't talk that 3 times now with this snap the ball. Man they put on that yesterday the man don't talk they don't put more than 25 million. When it's a last snap. The 9 of us say no nothing. See a man is not on.
Hello?
Yeah,
you say the man may talk so, eh?
Yeah, yesterday some people they cannot drive interview the man, they talk say he don't put money more than 25 million. They say that 25 million, nobody say no one and you don't buy it in the stock.
Yes, why the man to not explain them? How say why the no as he say the snack when he born, it not only the snack he born and where has the don't can join for the snack. Why is the father not to go for the other has them for back?
Now you want to know how it's not the bomb because when they talk to anytime, any year it's not the bomb, 3 times, anytime it's not the bomb. That means you didn't know reason whether it's not the bomb.
But that money the commander of outside, sir.
That money will not be not prestige. Even that money when you work and you wish to work, and let me say that's not okay for bomb. Okay, yes. When you go enter with Facebook page, General MOKO NJANGI House LTM, you will know plenty concerning this matter for this snack. We are no control. Yes. So when you enter for inside with Facebook page, you will know the truth for this snack, and then you will know sideway money to come out, and before they invest for that place. So talk a day, and we get for bring on Friday. We go get person we will come out for Chapel Obili. We go tell we what it really happened. And why it only happened now for this bar. You know, so when you there for that play with this snack day, you go down small so you could just see my locks you on snack. So me we understand. And when I just see some person not open a place, all man the flops there, one here. No wait till we there back. Huh? Let me say I know they understand. So we salute Mr. Golof. Mr. Golof we did now for Chuk Village. We salute all the youth them for Chuk Village. We did watch their program now and we salute those who did make cry die because Mr. Golof we come up for Magba, he get for go for bedding ground for Mawinto for Palace and he get for go for bedding ground for Ngwang. So anyhow we did now so it happen and the Chup son and daughter them where they get for meet up number 20 day for site for Bamina. They don't prepare now, they sharpen their shoe, polish them and then iron their coat because they get for meet up for see how they go carry the national youth national youth for site for Bamida number 20 day. That means that for 20 January where they go meet up and that one will be a national GM. So anyhow we thank all man, we thank those way they strive for send we videos for that site. With the time Mr. Michael now he be match all button for today. Then me, they call me General MOKO, the only general for Cameroon, where they work our broom for sweep a country, make it clean, so that me dirty no day. When I don't see dirty for town, outside for the wall, no, so it need broom, so for say me we use them for sweep the dirty day. If you get anything for support them, that number the way when I see them, and the number where you get for use them for send the broom. So we get for go now because we get for rest, so that tomorrow we come back with full power and full energy. So with the time we make plenty. For the help we don't help now. God he make them before this program a work out today in the proper. So Michael, me will go away. We don't finish. Bye bye.